you can see that I've opened up the crack as well. So I've gone along it, scraped it back, opened up the crack. Guys, so now you can see what I did is I used Shellac Primer to seal it, just because the paint was so flaky there. I just wanted to make sure that the filler had a grip and I wasn't putting filler into a very, very chalky environment. So you can see I sealed the whole crack along. So guys, you can see the first run of filler there. Right, so haven't gone too deep with it, want to let it dry, and then we'll put another layer on top. Okay, we need all of that to go to a light brown colour before it's dried. You can see in the smaller shadows how light brown it goes. So guys, you can see just refilled this now. You can see all of that there, and you can see just filled that, and you can see the difference between the other one where it's actually shrunk back a bit. So you may need to fill it 2 to 3 times. So here you see the complete crack replastered again, and the reason I use the word replaster is because the wall done, and then the crack done there. Okay.